This is problem 4.6 from Chapter 4, Brigham and Houston, Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. It's another DuPont ratio. What we're being asked is what is the ROE? Well, using the DuPont equations, if you take the net profit margin, multiply it by the total asset turnover, multiply that by the equity multiplier, you get ROE. All right, and mathematically that turns out because if you take net income over sales, which is the net profit margin, and then if you multiply net income over sales times sales over assets, then the sales cancels out of these two and you have ROA. Then if you multiply the equity multiplier times what's left, the equity multiplier is assets per dollar of equity. Okay, so that's the math behind all of this. And then you end up with net income over equity because sales cancels out here, assets cancels out here, now you have net income over equity. So what are we given in the problem? We're told that the net profit margin is 3% and that the equity multiplier is 1.9, and then I'm given that sales are 150 and total assets are 60. So sales of 150 divided by total assets over 60 gives me the sales per dollar of assets or total asset turnover ratio of 2.5. Multiply those three numbers together, 3% times 2.5% times 1.9, and I have the return on equity ratio of 14.25%. And that's your answer.